Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm just going to be going over some general information about our 1996 to 2005 Gixxer 600 750 Swingarm Extensions.
Alright, so starting off with our 96 to 03 600 750s, you have two options as far as finish, black and raw aluminum here with the option for the Gixxer logo engraved on it. For our 96 to 03 models, as far as brake setup goes, you'll just have this brake bar eliminator which sits right on top of the extension and keeps your caliper from rocking back and forth. All stainless hardware with all these, as well as a lifetime warranty on everything that we make here. For our 04 and 05 models, you'll have this brake plate similar to the Hayabusa, and it'll just simply use these two screws and bolt right on. And that will wrap up our 96 to 03 Gixxer 600 and 750s.